Want to build a purchase orders and spend analysis dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our purchase order data into Bricks. The file uploads quickly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Watch as Bricks' AI instantly analyzes our data, identifying key patterns in spending, vendor relationships, and order trends. The AI determines the most valuable insights from our purchase orders and automatically selects the perfect visualizations. It's creating charts for spend by category, delivery status distribution, top products by quantity, monthly spend trends, leading vendors, order status breakdowns, and price versus quantity analysis. The AI is also building summary tables for category status breakdowns and vendor spend summaries. Perfect. Our purchase orders and spend analysis dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 comprehensive tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes all editing controls, creating a clean, professional display perfect for board presentations or client reviews. The dashboard showcases our complete spend analysis with interactive charts that tell the story of our purchasing patterns. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our visualizations, modify any element, or add new insights. Each chart responds to our data updates in real time. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.